In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install FiveM on Steam or Epic Games step by step. If you want to play GTA 5 roleplay servers or custom multiplayer servers, FiveM is the platform that makes it possible. The good news is that installing it is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes if you follow the correct steps. I'll walk you through the entire process from downloading the client to launching FiveM and joining your first server. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any web browser on your computer such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type in the official FiveM website and press enter. Make sure you are on the official website to avoid downloading anything unsafe. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download Client. Click on this button to begin downloading the FiveM installer onto your computer. After the download finishes, go to your downloads folder and locate the FiveM installer file. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Your computer may ask for permission to run the program, so simply click Yes to continue. The FiveM setup will now open and begin preparing the installation. Next, you'll be asked to accept the terms of service. Read through them if you'd like, and then click Accept to continue. FiveM will now start installing the required files onto your computer. This process usually only takes a minute or two, depending on your system speed and internet connection. During the installation, FiveM will download additional components that it needs in order to run properly. Once the installation is complete, FiveM will automatically launch. The first time you open FiveM, it will scan your computer and automatically detect your GTA 5 installation. This works whether you installed GTA 5 through Steam or through the Epic Games launcher, so you don't need to manually select the folder in most cases. As long as GTA 5 is properly installed on your system, FiveM should find it without any issues. After the game is detected, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Rockstar Games Social Club account. This is required because FiveM connects through your legitimate GTA 5 installation. Simply log in with the same Rockstar account that you use for GTA 5. Once you're logged in, FiveM will finish setting things up and open the main interface. From here, you can browse thousands of multiplayer servers, including roleplay servers, racing servers, free roam servers, and many other custom GTA 5 experiences created by the community. Just select a server you like, click Connect, and FiveM will automatically download any required server files before joining, and that's it. You've successfully installed FiveM on Steam or Epic Games, and you're ready to start exploring custom GTA 5 multiplayer servers. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.